Today we're going to be reviewing the AP30 wireless indoor outdoor security camera. The security camera has a tilt, pan, and zoom 1080p video recording capability. As we can see, it is made for wireless capability or wired Ethernet. And the instructions are included in here, along with a power cable, a screwdriver to even attach the bolts or screws, and then an Ethernet cable along with protection for the elements of the outside source. What's nice about this camera is it has the ability to, of course, use cloud-based syncing to record even up to 24 hours. It gives you notifications not only on your phone, your smartphone, but also if you have a smart watch. I will include some video to show this camera in action, but so far it's been a very good camera, very responsive. Its motion detection is very nice. You can set the sensitivity to 3 different levels. And again, the notification settings are very clear and easy to understand.
This is huge outdoor camera compared to my hand. Huge outdoor camera. Connectors. Definitely this is not for indoor use. Like not for the apartment use, it's like really big. It is more outdoor camera. Unless you have like a warehouse or some garage where you can use it indoor.